Now check this car out. I want to start this video in the driver's cabin area because it's a very special one. It's got a jump seat, which is 3 seats in the front and 3 seats in the back. It's a 6-seater Defender 90 in Yulong White on a 22 registration with only 4,000 miles on, but it gets better. It's such a rare car. It's the P300, which is the petrol 300 brake horsepower X-Dynamic SE in Yulong White with a massive specification, because not everybody wants a great big SUV. This one ticks every single box, and with a jump seat, which is such a hard option to get on any car, it makes all the difference. Let me start with the outside and I'll quickly show you what it gives you. The car's done 4,000 miles, so it's in absolutely immaculate condition. No exaggeration, it's like new. Under manufacturer's warranty till 2025. The Yulong White is an absolutely stunning colour in a metallic white, and it looks brilliant in any light. You've then got the black checkered plates, the black surround around the LED matrix headlights with the fusion blue LED daytime running lights. Your front fog lights right at the bottom is also LED. You've then got front rear parking sensors and the 360-degree camera system. The car has lots of ground clearance. It looks beautiful because of the X-Dynamic SE. This bottom section of the car is in jet black. The arch kit front and rear is jet black, and so is the side skirts. But then you've got the 20-inch jet black alloy wheels, which complement the car even more. The fixed side steps, you've got the wing mirror covers and the contrasting black roof, which is an extra. Come for access, so that means that the keys are in your bag or your pocket. You can walk up to the car, it will unlock, and as you walk away, you press that button and it locks for you. But as I open the door, as you've seen already, you've got electric memory seats with heated seats. Now this car has a cold climate pack on it, which gives you the heated steering wheel, the Meridian sound system, the entry kick plate, which is a lovely illuminated version, fully fitted mats, air suspension as well, so you can drop the suspension for access height, raise it to get more ground clearance, automatic gearbox, touchscreen media system with DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation of course, dual zone climate control, front and rear heated windscreen, lots of cubbyhole space around the vehicle, and the centre tunnel area where you have USB, USB-C and a 5-volt socket. You've then got features like the sliding panoramic roof, that's an extra, the clear sight rear view mirror, another extra, sun visors with light and card holder. If you aren't going to have a passenger in this middle seat, this also does come down, which then becomes an absolute massive armrest with twin cup holders, like a mini office really. And if you come in all the way here, you'll also notice they've got more USCs and 12-volt sockets in the back there. Lovely seats, half leather, there's a bit of cloth on there as well. But remember, it's a 90, so you do this and you have lots of space in the back for the rear passengers with ISOFIX attachments, centre armrest, 3-point seat belts. As you get to the back of the car, the first thing you notice is the LED rear lighting system. The fifth wheel, spare wheel, is full size 20-inch. And then you've got this lovely boot space, and this car comes with a detachable tow bar. Remember, it's done 4,000 miles. Tow bar's never been used. Just clicks in, ready to use. If you're wanting quite a special, rare car, then this is it. Drop the suspension from pressing this button below. More cubbyhole space underneath there. More storage space on the back of the tailgate. How good looking is this car? But where else are you going to find a P300? With the jump seat, with all the extras like the sliding roof, the black styling, the wheels, the tow bar. It's just, you can't. And this one's going live now, priced absolutely accurately. It's a car that isn't going to hang around, because I think if you're in the city somewhere and you need a nice petrol engine, it's perfect. If you're not doing many miles but you want a bit of power, 300 brake horsepower, it's not a slow car. It even sounds good. It's an impressive machine. Heated steering wheel. You've got your stereo controls, Bluetooth controls and cruise control there. There's a 360 camera system, and the media screen is very easy to use. You've also got the full TFT digital dashboard there, and there's a clear sight interior view mirror. You can see the camera in the back. You have to agree this is an absolute buzzer. I love it. If you like what you see, guys, my name's Joe. Give me a call, drop me a text or WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye now.